everyone, this is Darla from Crafty Yarn. Well, welcome. So guess what? My Hobie Lucky Bag, Cake Lucky Bag, arrived 2 days quicker than they said originally. So yes. Oh. It's full of air. Okay. So let's see what they sent. All right, so lucky bags. Hobie has a lot of lucky bags. They have acrylic, they have cotton ones, they have wool, I believe, and they have these cake ones. I'm sure you've seen them. I'm sure you've seen people open them. But they are $40.99 US, so it'll be more Canadian. I'm in Canada. It took about a week to get here, so that's not bad. This is from Denmark to Canada. Okay, are they in individual bags? Yes, they are. I ordered two bags of 4. That's one. Then the other one, and there's also, should be a free gift in here somewhere. And there it is, and oh, a candy. A candy, like always. Well, except once, they didn't send me one. Anyway, yes. Thank you, Hobie, for the candy. And then they sent us free gift. These are little crystal buttons. Crystal buttons. Yeah, they're kind of nice. What size? 12 millimeter. Yes. So thank you very much, Hobie. Let's take a look. Sometimes I call him Hobby, sometimes Hobie. Yeah, no, nothing. No prices. But I think some of these may have gone on sale after I bought these. Not the lucky bags, but the individual yarn. Oh, let me just mention this. I have a tutorial coming up soon for this top, either tomorrow or Friday, I'm not sure, but I think it'll be this week. And then I have another tutorial I'm working on for another tank top. Yeah. All right, just need to breathe. All right, so let's see what's in this first one. Okay, it's those, ooh, gorgeous, the shadow, all right, Cotton Kings, I'll write it on the screen, and I'll write how much these are at the recording of this video, and this is May 11th, 2022, okay. So, easy start, love those. These are the 4 thin strands. There's a trick to crocheting with these or knitting. You could slide a bead on it before you start crocheting and it'll help hold the strands together. And it'll put a little bit of weight on it too as you're crocheting. So that also helps hold the strands together. So this is the first one. Look at those beautiful shades of blue. My favorite color, my first favorite color. So this blues goes into darker blue and it goes into that beautiful black. Oh, beautiful, gorgeous, even gorgeous. All right, so I got 4 different colors in the first bag. Love it. Okay, so this next one, oh, this is lovely. This is grays. Look, starts off with a lighter gray, goes into a darker gray, and then goes into the black. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the next one is this beautiful green. Oh, light green, darker green, and then into the black. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. Oh. And then this one. Ooh, look at that. It's like a what do you call it? Burnt orange, maybe? I'm not sure. But I'm going to put everything on across the screen, the information I find out about them. And then it goes darker and it goes into the black. You can see how it changes right there, how it slowly changes. That's how they all are. I mean, I love Hobie's cakes. Hobie, you do an amazing job on your Cotton King cakes. Every cake I've seen on your website just looks amazing. One day, I'd like to try them all. All right, so that's that. That's that bag. Oh my gosh, it is so nice, so nice. All right, so next bag. Okay. What do we have in here? Oh, okay. Oh, looks like the same. Looks like the same. It is the same. Ah, it is the same. I'm so sorry, Crystal, at Bag a Day. Hi, Crystal. I was so hoping to get that rainbow one so I could send it to you, but no, I'm sorry. But now I have 2 blues. And what you can do, something else you can do to help you crochet or knit a little better. Well, crochet for sure. I don't know about knitting. I don't knit. But you can put them together. Put the strands together. Start from, you know what I mean. Put the strands together and it'll give you more, like a thicker amount to work with, and it might be easier. For some who don't like to work with really thin yarn or have a problem, maybe you could try that. So I got 2 of the blue. Isn't that gorgeous? Amazing. And then I got, oh, this is really sweet. I'm actually glad I got 2. Oops. Okay, this one. So I got 2 of this beautiful gray and the black. Gorgeous. And then I got 2 of the green. I'm very, very happy with these. Very happy. And I got 2 of this like burnt orange or whatever it is. It's actually on my screen, it shows it a little lighter than it is in the middle there. But you guys are so funny. All right, so that is it. I love them. Thank you so much, hubby. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You know, what you can make with these, you make shawls, you can make summer tops. I may be designing something with one of these. Oh gosh, I don't know. Well, probably maybe a summer top, but I got so many ideas, you guys. As soon as I look at yarn, I've got all these ideas, and I have ideas from years ago that have been just festering in my head. Okay, you guys. So, yeah, Crystal at Bag a Day has been showing, I mean, she's been buying lots of lucky bags and showing what she's been getting. So if you don't know Crystal, go over there, check her out. Check out all the cakes that she got. And yeah. All right. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.